GeoMechPro is a specialized software solution engineered to perform present-day, in-situ 3D stress calculations for geomechanical modeling. By integrating critical well log data, the software accurately calculates depth-dependent principal stress curves. The workflow begins by loading well log data in either CSV or XLSX format. The minimum requirements for calculation are depth, density, pore pressure, and sonic dipolar velocity. If pore pressure data is unavailable, the software automatically utilizes hydrostatic pressure instead. Units can be toggled between imperial and metric systems. By applying poroelastic equations, the software computes dynamic elastic moduli and principal stress magnitudes, SV, SH-min, SH-max. It then mathematically calibrates their behavior along the depth profile. Specific values for any given depth can be instantly visualized using the active profile intercept feature. The calculated stress curves are immediately ready to be displayed on the depth graph via the Visible Curves panel, with SV, SH-min, SH-max shown by default. When predictive data constraints are available, such as leak-off tests, DFITs, or borehole breakouts and tensile fractures from resistivity images, the stress profiles can be rigorously calibrated through tectonic stress component adjustment. By combining the graphical display with the tectonic analysis window tool, users obtain a clear representation of the tectonic regime, principal stress magnitudes, and stress anisotropy. This capability is essential for validating stress regimes derived from structural analysis, providing foundational data for safer drilling operations and basic reservoir characterization. Ultimately, this adds confidence to the structural and tectonic evolutionary models. Finally, all calculated curves can be exported in XL, SX, or CSV formats, ready to be seamlessly transferred to any third-party geomechanical software.